In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch GTA 5 from Steam. We'll go from finding the game, to purchasing it, to installing, and finally hitting play so it opens through the Rockstar Launcher integration, all in a clear, simple flow you can follow. Start by opening Steam and heading to the store. In the search bar at the top, type GTA 5 or Grand Theft Auto 5, then select the official game page. Once you're there, click Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout, choose your preferred payment method, like a credit card or PayPal, and complete the purchase. Steam will send a receipt to your email for your records. It's a good idea to make sure you're signed into the correct Steam account before you buy, because the game will be tied to that account permanently. After the purchase is complete, go to your Steam library. You'll see Grand Theft Auto 5 listed there. Click Install or Download. If Steam asks where to install the game, pick a drive with plenty of free space. GTA 5 is a large download, so the time it takes will depend on your internet speed and your PC. You can check progress by clicking the Downloads section in Steam, and it's perfectly fine to let Steam run in the background while you do other things. If your connection drops or you pause it, Steam will resume right where it left off. To keep things moving smoothly, make sure your PC doesn't go to sleep during the download. When the download finishes, Steam will automatically install any required components. This part may take a few extra minutes, so don't worry if it sits at the end for a bit while it finalizes everything. Now you're ready to play. In your library, click Grand Theft Auto 5 and then click Play. Steam will start the game using the Rockstar Launcher integration behind the scenes. You might see an extra window appear briefly as it initializes. This is normal. The first launch can take a little longer than usual as it completes setup. Once you reach the main menu, you're good to go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.